national maintenance. We know that training new employees can be a long and boring process for everyone involved. This is why we chose to condense as much of our training into a quick video instead. Oh, and we also replaced all actors with children because we thought it would be much closer. That doesn't mean you don't have to listen though. I hope you're still paying attention. The National Maintenance Company vision is for total quality management and for total quality maintenance. We also believe who all are associated to us will follow and adapt to our vision. Believing and pursuing in this will help deliver a high quality service to all our customers. This ensures that we can deliver total quality maintenance at all times. Our mission statement is very important to be known as the main name in maintenance. To achieve our mission, we must follow, pursue and maintain our company vision and core values. All staff will be encouraged to adapt to these values. Team building tasks have been put in place on a daily basis to encourage this. Our 5 core values are clear. Pride, being proud of your company, personal image and the work you complete.
Do more, please more. Always go the extra mile and do a little more to make our customers happier. But check first with the manager before carrying out.
Teamwork, especially on big jobs. It is crucial to work as one unit. Continuous improvement. Your work will get better and better over the time. If you want to do any courses that will help you and the company, this can be looked into. Communication. Strong communication with other employees and customers will be the foundation of everything you do. Our expectations are simple. Some of the qualities we expect in our employees include being positive, trustworthy, reliable, approachable and hardworking. We employ only the best.
Here's a rundown of some of the responsibilities as a national maintenance employee. You are responsible for your uniform, which should be as clean as possible and display the company logo. This links to our overall presentation and manner, which should aim to reflect the company values and image. You are also responsible for your own work phone. It is a personal choice to get this phone insured or to buy a protected case. This must be returned in an adequate condition, otherwise this cost will be deducted from your final pay. You may need to be on call via this phone, which works on a roster basis, unless another operative would like to take your leave. You will be advised about your week for being on call and when sent out be paid at your normal hourly rate, but will also have an additional rate for being on call, which will also be advised. If working overtime, you will be paid at your normal hourly rate unless quoted differently. You will know this before accepting the overtime. You are expected and contracted to work at least one Saturday a month, which will be paid at your normal hourly rate. If you would like to work more than one, you can do so, but this is optional and again, paid at the same rate. You are allowed 20 days off holiday, plus bank holidays. However, holidays are not allowed in July and August due to this being such a busy period. And only one operative is allowed to be off at one time throughout the year. Holidays will need to be saved for the few weeks we have off for Christmas and New Year, or if you don't wish to save them for this, then can be taken as unpaid leave. Lateness is not permitted. This is monitored, and if reoccurring, then disciplinary action will be taken. you were to leave, you cannot directly work for a competitor or client for a period of 6 months. All policies and procedures are now available on Click under Documents. Click is an app that the operatives can access via our website, and they will be provided with login details. This gives them access to risk assessments and other documents that may be needed.
When using one of our vans and when you are on the road, there are a handful of important rules to keep in mind. Any personal travel needs to be authorised by management and will be tax deductible. The van must be washed in your own time once a week. A picture of this needs to be sent to the WhatsApp group along with a picture of the van check booklet and a van stock sheet. These must be sent to the group no later than Sunday. This includes confirmation that the van still contains a functioning fire extinguisher and first aid kit. Smoking in the vans and on site is strictly prohibited. If the van is damaged, the operative may be liable to pay any excess. A driver handbook will be issued to you that will detail all of these procedures and more.
Fire extinguishers and first aid kits will never be too far away, and you must find out where they are at any given site. You must wear appropriate personal protective equipment at all times, otherwise disciplinary action will be taken. This will be provided by National Maintenance as well as your uniform, apart from your trousers, because we know you will wipe your dirty hands on them. £40 will be given towards boots. Get a comfy and strong pair that you can safely work in. Accident and incident forms can be found in the van, which must be filled out in plenty of detail after any injuries on site straight away, no matter what anyone says. Operatives will need to undergo face fit testings, which will be carried out every 6 months. All operatives must be cleanly shaven for this, or can't be carried out, so you might need to get your razors out. Other potential health and safety risks include working at heights, asbestos awareness, manual handling, and loan working. The procedures for these activities are detailed in your health and safety handbook, so make sure you read it. And then read it again. This bit is very simple. You need your own basic set of tools. Any larger items such as cement mixers and lawn mowers will be provided by National Maintenance. Tools must be signed in and out, otherwise disciplinary action will be taken. These must be looked after or you may be charged for repairs and replacements. Before using any tools, make sure you have read the safety instructions and that you are 100% sure you know what you are doing. Even if you think you have a pretty good idea, if you aren't confident in any job given, then please let the office know before making a start. In the unfortunate and hopefully unlikely event that a complaint is needed, there are a few ways this should be done. If one operative is complaining about another, then they must talk to a manager. If an operative is complaining about a manager, then they must go to a director. It is not snitching, it is crucial for everyone's comfort and safety.
Well done! You made it to the end! I hope you were listening because all of this is very important. But it isn't over yet. You still have some paperwork to read and sign. If you need to ask any questions, then be sure to ask your trainer now. And if you're uncertain of any aspect in the future, please don't be scared and ask a manager now. We hope you feel confident and prepared to be an operative with National Maintenance. And finally, congratulations! For everyone in charge. Oh my God! Oh, and we also replaced all children with... Oh, and we also replaced all children with... Oh, and we also replaced all children with... That doesn't mean you don't have to pay attention. The National Maintenance Company is for total...
Follow, pursue and maintain. We must follow, pursue and maintain.
To achieve our mission, we must follow, pursue and maintain our company vision and core values at all times.
Smashed it, well done.